Got a great deal on this item, but I'm probably not gonna keep it. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, I'm Jen, and I want to show you the latest find I got off of eBay. This is a Louis Vuitton pouch, so let's open this up. I believe this is from about 2015-ish, and I got it in a bundle with another item. This is the cosmetic pouch PM. It is the smallest of the cosmetic pouches. It's a little under 7 inches long, and it's a little under 5 inches tall, and it has a pretty good gusset to it, so you can fit quite a few things inside. It has this dome shape with a zipper. It's got these Vachetta leather side tabs. So I got a really good deal on this. It was bundled with the toiletry bag 25, and I was actually more interested in that item. So the thing I am most concerned about with these pouches, I think they're very cute. You can fit a lot of stuff in it. You can fit like a phone in it. But whenever I see these for sale and they're used, they all have a lot of corner damage, pretty significant corner damage. This one I would say is in like excellent condition. There's like some light signs of wear on it, like it's got this little watermark here. The corners are in really good condition, but I can see there does seem to be like some pretty minor rubs on them, but not to the point where I think it's anything, you know, too serious. So here's how you open it up. And this is a very popular item. I believe this currently retails for $600. I did not pay that, obviously. And I did get a little insert. So I was looking all over the place for inserts for the cosmetic pouch. This was my favorite one. I got this off of Etsy. I will link it down below in the description box and you can shop this video. I've purchased from this store before. This insert I liked because it fits the shape of the item. It has also a domed top. It's got some side pockets. I like that it kind of comes out with the dome shape, but also, you know, it doesn't get in the way of the zipper. So I actually think this insert is a really nice option, so I will link it. It came in a few different colors. The pouch itself has this wipeable, like kind of rubberized material. So you can see this one is made in France. It's got a little pocket here. The date code is in here. For the life of me, I could not make it out. So I did, for peace of mind, get this authenticated. I usually go with master authentication. And I explained, I was like, hey, I literally can't read the date code. I tried to get the best photo I could. I could tell there were letters and numbers, so the date code is like inside the pocket. I had to use my phone with like the flash to try to get a photo, and you still couldn't make out it was. But the master authentication person was like, that's okay. So I was still able to get it authenticated. I actually really do like using inserts for even small items like this, just to keep them clean, especially if you're putting makeup in it or anything that can leak. I think this is a good investment for any designer items. But again, this was not an item I was particularly looking for, so I'm not really sure I'm gonna keep it. So if you are interested, DM me on Instagram, Sunshine Fashion Love, because I like it. I think it's cute. I am glad I got the insert, but I don't see this as being something I hold on to personally. But here, I'll show you what can fit in it. So I've got some little items. I got like this dry shampoo, so you can fit that in here. I've got a lotion here. It's not the biggest pouch, but you can get a few things in here. Got some tampons, you can fit those in here. It fills up pretty quickly, so it's not like the biggest pouch, and you will have to make some choices, try to see what you want to put in here. So you are pretty limited. It can fit quite a few smaller items. So here I've got some lip products here, so you can see what fits in, but it starts to stuff up pretty fast. So this is what it can fit. It's not a huge pouch. I am glad I got the insert. Here, I'll zip it up here so you can see where it fits. Okay, yeah, you can see when you start to put stuff and fill it up, the zipper does get a little bit wonky when you zip it up. So just something to keep in mind, but I'm pretty concerned about the corner wear. So that's why I feel like I would really have to be careful with this item, in my opinion. So I'm kind of like, but you know, it is what it is. I do have it. It's cute. I thought I would do a little bit of a demonstration to show you what fits inside and just go over the item. The zipper is really nice. It's in really great shape. I think for being over 10 years old. Here, let me try to put less stuff in it. The dry shampoo might be a little bit much, but here, I'll try to do some like tampons. Let's just do tampons and some lip products. All right, and then, yeah, this is probably better, but yeah, when you start to get stuff up near the top, the zipper does get a little bit wonky. Okay, yeah, this zipper's quite a bit easier. I would just maybe avoid stuffing it to the very top and it'll still look nice when it zippers. But this is the cosmetic pouch, PM size, the smallest. And this one's about, I think about 11 years old. You can see it has the older style of the dust bag. It's not blue. It's more of like a yellow color with brown lettering on it. So if you have this item, let me know what you think. I'm not totally sold on it. I actually personally like the toiletry pouches better, like the toiletry pouch 19 or the 26 or the 15. I don't know. I don't know if I'm probably not gonna keep this, quite honestly. So, but it's cute. It does fit quite a bit of stuff in it, but I can see, like, if you're taking this in and out of your bag constantly, I can certainly see how it gets the corner wear really, and I've seen some pretty messed up corners, like they'll start to chip off or whatever. So this does seem like it's more prone to wear and tear than some of the other items. And I think the design of this could have been a little bit better. So that's just my opinion. But this is an overview of the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. Check out some of my other videos here on the channel. I've reviewed and done overviews on a lot of other small items and handbags. And subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs here on YouTube. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I'll see you again in the next one.